Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain left join. So let's understand the concept. It return all the rows from the left dataset regardless of match found on right dataset when join expression does not match. It assign null for that record and drops record from right where match not found. Okay. So let's understand this with example. So this is my employee table. Okay. And this is my department table. Okay, so based on the concept, if we are going to do left join, it should return all the rows from left table 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and in the right table, because this is column by column join, so for the right table it will return all the rows of matching, like this depth id 10 20 30 40, it will return like we can see this value. But for the sixth column, the department id is 40. Okay, but this department id is not matching with any of the department id for department data frame. Okay, so for this department id 50, it is going to return null value for department id and department name. So little bit theoretical, let's understand with example. Okay, so let's rerun this. Here is the result. Sorry, this is left. Yeah, left. uh, Left. Okay, so for let's understand one by one. For employee id 1, department is 10 matching. Okay, so for employee id we can 1, we can see all the values. Same for employee id 3. For 3, department id is 10, so it is matching, so it is going to return all the values without any problem. For department id 3, it's a 10 is matching. For 1, 10 is matching with 10. Now for the department id 4, employee id 4, dept id is 10 is matching. For 5, it's department id 40, it is matching. And for 6, department id is 50. So 50 is not matching with any of the value of department id of department data frame. So for employee id 6, our in our output for employee id 6, we will have null value for these two columns, because these are not because department id is not matching with 50. So if we come here in our left join, we are matching based on the department id. For 1, we have all value. For 3, we have all value. For 5, we have all. For 2, we have all. For 6, we have all value for employee table. Okay, but for when we see the value of department table, we can see null for department name, and we can see null for department id, because the department id is not matching with the employee department id of left table, or can say employee table. If it's match, it's return the value. If it is not matching, it's return the null for value, for non-matching value. So this is all about left outer join. And in a PySpark, or can say any kind of SQL or anywhere, join logic is same. That's all. Thank you.